Welcome everyone to the unboxing of the Honor 7X. I know this device has been available for quite a while, in fact from the month of December, but currently I just got my hands on. So let's get started with the unboxing. So at the back you will get all the specs, and this is my tool. So unboxing the seal, you get the typical Honor 7X box, and taking the box out, the first thing you see is the smartphone with the Honor branding at the chin. So this is the blue color variant and also the 4GB RAM and 32GB variant. Let me take out all the plastic and let's take a look at the phone. The front is just awesome with 18:9 display. Taking a look at the side, you got the volume rockers, power on a button. At the back you got the beautiful coral blue color. I won't say it's coral blue, but the blue color just seems awesome. It's just best than any other color. At the top you got a secondary microphone, and at the bottom you get the USB jack, 3.5mm jack, and the speaker grill. Now turning on the phone and reviewing other specs and other things from out of the box, we get a warranty card, some documents, and also an included silica case. And I think this is really good. All the smartphones are getting a silica case included with them, which really helps the end consumer. Now let's go through the setup. Taking a look at the specs, you get the EMUI 5.1, 5.93 inches 1080p display. It is 18:9 aspect ratio, 4GB RAM, 32GB and 64GB variant, a 3340 mAh battery, and other specs are listed on the screen. Now setting up the fingerprint scanner, you see. Now let's get started with testing the fingerprint scanner. And man, it's just too fast. Just take a look at it, how fast it is. I think this is the fastest fingerprint scan I have used till date. I have used a lot from Xiaomi's, but man, they are just not at par with this. Just look at it, it is just awesome. Now taking a look at the other things you get in the box, you get a typical normal 10V charger from Huawei and a USB cable. I'm very upset not to see Type-C, and there's nothing else. You also get an SIM ejector tool, that's something you must know. So this is the smartphone. Taking a look at the UI, it is a typical EMUI, which is a really custom skin, and you got a lot of modification you can do. Taking a look at the storage, you get just 48GB out of this 64GB. I think this is not good. Now taking a look at the camera setup, you get the typical Honor camera things, and there are a lot of things you can play around with a manual mode and all other things with the depth mode too. So this is the camera interface you will come around, and the shutter speed is really good, and there are a lot of modes in it. By the way, so this was it from the video, and thanks for watching the video, and hit the like button if you liked it, or else thumbs down, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is your host signing off with coming a review of 7X, and it will be live soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.